Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to make this type of tissue box. It's very useful. You can use tissue box like this. So today we will make this type of tissue box. For this tissue box we require only one square size sheet. So are you ready? Get ready with your stuff. Watch it carefully. First we have to match these corners and fold it like this. Open it and same this side we have to fold. In previous video I told you these lines are called imaginary line. Okay. Now 4 corners are here. We have to fold these corners till center point like this. And with the help of scale we can press it nicely. Watch it carefully. Now this side we can see imaginary line in center point. So we have to fold till center point like this. Same this side. Open it. Now fold like this till center point and press it nicely, and one more fold. It's looking little bit tricky but it's very easy. Try it. Now open one corner and fold it. One more, 2 and one more fold. You can see this corner like this. Same this one also. 1, 2 and 3. Again same. And this one last we have to do same. It's very easy. Now you can see imaginary line like box here in square. So we have to fold this like this till this square, and this side also we have to fold till this square. Now this corner I'll tell you how to fold. Now this corner will fold like this and make this corner like this. You can use glue to paste this, or you can use stapler to staple this corner like this. Same we have to do this side. This corner we have to fold like this and it will go like this. Fold upside like this. Now first we will decorate this box. Now we'll take few tissues and we'll cut these tissues into 3 equal parts. Use scissors carefully. One more like this. Now these cutted tissues we will fold like this and cut more. Now this is done. Now fold tissues like this and keep another tissue on this. Overlap tissues like this and make bundle of tissues. It's very easy to keep. Now we have to keep this bundle in this tissue box. Like this, and one corner we will pull and another corner will come out like this. So it's very easy to use. It's very beautiful and easy to make. I hope you like this video. In next video I'll bring more creative learning for you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.